Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, June 2nd, 2010. Today we had a total of 7 executable trade signals for a max potential of 52 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Alright, starting off today, we had a pre-market setup after the news for a half gap play that was able to get a total of 7 ticks to the downside. That fired off right about 8:45, and then we traded open and opened up at 1075. Kind of consolidated sideways here for a little bit, right underneath the pivot. Finally came down through our moving average, actually gave us a regular trading signal short that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside at 9:39 for a total of 6 ticks, and the market continued to push lower. Not only officially filled the official half gap, but went down within a couple ticks of the 4 o'clock close, traded higher back to our moving average, kind of broke above that moving average and consolidated a while there, and finally gave us a signal at 10:03 to get long. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 13 ticks as it went back up towards its pivot, back up towards its Globex session high, and continued higher. Now, after it did a little bit of a range expansion there to the upside, it got in another consolidation mode, actually came back down through our moving average, all the way back down to the open, pulled back, gave us a signal to get short, got our first contract off, didn't get the follow through to the downside we were hoping for, ended up with a 2-tick loss on that particular trade. As the market came back through our moving average, we had a nice full swing move to the upside. The first opportunity to get long was around 11:18, and that produced targets 1 and targets 2, which didn't get hit until the lunchtime for 17 ticks. Now, we do not initiate any new trades, but this trade fired at 11:19, ended up getting filled over here for 17 ticks. Now, between 11:30 and 1:15, like I said, we do not initiate any new trades. We just kind of let the market do what it's going to do, and then after 1:15 we come back ready to seek an opportunity. And sure enough, we had a signal to get short, got our first contract off, didn't get the follow through we were looking for before getting stopped out. Ended up with a 2-tick loss on a trade that ultimately went to the downside, but that's alright. We got a little reset of our signals here. We got an opportunity to get short right around 2:09 p.m. Eastern Time, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 13 ticks, all the way down until the 2:30 reversal time. Now, interesting little trade here. We were watching this in the room for we actually had a pattern breakout that happened here, but it happened so quick when our signal came, we did not get the pullback. So there were ways to play this and to get long the market, and that was based on a pattern situation. But as far as our signal goes, we didn't get a deep enough retracement to get long, so we ended up missing a real nice move to the upside. But like I said, some folks in the room were able to catch that, and I want to congratulate them on taking that pattern break. So all in all, it was just a fantastic day, and you know, the volatility these last few weeks has really helped us out. We ended up with 7 trades today, 52 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room or video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.